We have a minute more. We can interact and solve it. We have a minute more. If you are done with at least one number, good, 90%. A minute more, less than a minute. Let's solve maybe 1 more.
Yeah, it's like a
Okay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. So for number 3, how many of you solved number 3? Okay, so what did you get? What's the value of x?
I got the cubed root of y3c plus b over a equals x.
Okay. Did we get the same thing? The same thing. What about number? Let's solve and see first. Let's solve and see. Number 3. So you have y equals ax. Ax cubed minus b all over 3c. You multiply both sides with this 3c, 3c cancel out. Hence you have 3c y equals ax cubed minus b. You have 3c y plus b equals ax power 3. This divided by 8, this divided by 8. This. Multiply both sides with 1 over 3. 1 over 3. This will cancel this. Hence you have 3 cube roots 3y cy plus b over a equals x. So this is what we got, right? Or also you can set to leave your answer this way. Everything here for 1 over 3. What about number 4? What did we get? Okay.
I got the cubic root of 5y plus 4 equals x.
Let me hear it correct.
The cubic root of 5y plus 4 equals x.
Okay. Who got the same thing? We all got the same thing, right? Okay. Let's solve and see. So for number 4, we have x power 3 minus 4 equals 5y. Hence, x power 3 equals 5y plus 4. Is that correct? Yes. Hence, you have x multiplied by 1 over 3 for 1 over 3. Hence, you have this will cancel this x is equals all this for 1 over 3. Can simplify for now a little bit this way. What about the number 5, which is our last number? here we have y equals ax power 4 minus b over m. What did you get? What did we get? What's our value of x? What's our value of x?
The fourth root of yn plus b divided by a.
You get sense? You got the same thing? Okay. That's good. That's what I'm saying. Hence you have, for 5y, hence you have this, multiply both sides with m. And this, oh sorry, everything here. This you cancel this. Hence you have yn minus plus b equals ax over 4. This over a, this over a, this. Hence you have multiply this side with 1 over 4, multiply with 1 over 4, this you cancel this. Hence you have everything here, root 4. Y m plus b over 8 equals x. So this is what we all know, right?
Do we need a plus or minus on that one? 'Cause it's-
No. You only do that for square root. When you take the square root of both sides, but this is not. You don't do that. So, now, let's solve some problem involving equations. You know, the idea of equation is that, look at the idea. For whatever we have, whenever we get the value of all these things, if you substitute the value of q and the sum value of everything, what we have here is what we have here. If you are given the variables, let's try to solve some problems like that so we can illustrate some of this better. So, if you have solve this equation, solve these equations. Let's solve these equations. Hence, you have 1 x over 3 equals 5. So, solution. This is, what do we do? This is saying that you want to solve this equation. This is saying that whenever you get the value of x, whatever you have here should be equal to what you have here, and not like the output before.
Where is my second one? Or when are you guys going?
By me looking at this,
I am going
I think it should be 15, right?
You're going now.
Yeah.
This 5 minutes.
Logically, when you look at this, it's better like 25.
I
But
also
let's
need to
solve
leave.
it
I need to be out for
mathematically.
2 hours.
So here we have x over 3 equals 5. To eliminate this, you multiply by 3. By 3. This you cancel this. Right? Hence you have x equals 15. So for this x, if you substitute the value of this x, 15 here, you should plug it in 15 here as 15. You can see that 15 here will give you, 15 divided by this will give you 5. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. This will give you 5 equals 5. So this is the idea of equation that I'm trying to convert to the form. Right? What you have known is all this while is still okay, but I want you to start seeing it from this angle. Right? I want to, yeah, so it will help us a lot. Okay. So you have 2. 4 over 3 equals 2z over 15. Just like I said, it means that after solving this mathematically and you get the value of z, if you plug in that value of z that you get into this, it means that whatever you have here should be the same as okay. As simple as that. Is that okay? Okay. So from here, solution. First, you have, this should be 60, right? 60 divided by 3, divided by 2, equals Z. As should give you 20. 10. Hope I'm correct. Z is equal to 10, right?
Yes.
Let's check whether our answer is correct. To check solution, we say verify the solution or verify solution. So verify our solution. Let's put the value of our 10 here. Hence you have 4 over 3 equals 2. You have 10. 15. Ten times 2 will give you what? 20, right? 4 over 3. 20 over 15. Hence it is the same thing. You can break this thing down to give you 4 over 3. Right?
Yes.
You know, 1 over 2 is the same thing as 2 over 4. And the same thing as 100 over 200. The same thing as 500 over 1000. Right? So, just the simplification. Sometimes if you leave your answer this way, it's still okay. But the most important thing is that you are seeing it from the angle of the equation. And it's always okay to verify our equation. In fact, we'll start verifying our equation. Start taking and verifying our equation. By the time we get to quadratic equations, continuous equations, dead variables, dead unknown variables, and all those equations. Even when we get to the solution of differential equation, we can do our verification to make sure that we are getting the answer correct. Right? Okay, so let's solve this. I want you to solve this number 3. After solving this, we go on break. Hope you can see my handwriting here. Sorry, let me rewrite this. Okay, can we give this a try? Maybe in 2 minutes. Let's just give it a try. If you don't get it, that's still okay. We are free to interact in pairs, in groups. Let's just give this a try. This, look at what you are solving. After this, then we're going to break. Huh? Keep solving. So, I don't know if it's okay. Let's take a break. When we come back, we'll continue. Is that okay? I want us to maintain this time. Okay, 7 more minutes. That's okay. I have to finish the Let's go. So, solve this in less than 3 minutes. Let's solve this in less than 3 minutes. It's okay if your group don't get 2 minutes. Less than 2 minutes. Is it your first done? Oh, 80%. That's wonderful. What's the value of x? What's the value of x? 7?
Yes.
Okay. So from number 3, solution. Next you have x minus 5 over 2 equals x minus 4 over 3. Let's multiply this will, why this will have 2. Next we have 3x minus 15 equals 2x minus 8. Am I correct? At this point, you have 3x minus, you group the like terms, 2x equals 15 minus 8. Here you have x equals 7. Good, let's verify. Verify. Right? So to the value of 7 in our equation. So we have 7 minus 5 over 2 equals 7 minus 4 over 3. What do we have? We have 2 over 2. 7 minus 5 will give you 2. Equals 7 minus 4 will give you 3. 3 over 3. This cancel this one. You have 1 equal to 1. So we are correct. We have the balanced equation. Let's solve more examples. Example 4. We have 5e minus 1 over 4 minus 7e plus 4 over 8 equals 0. So from this you find the LCM. The LCM of this is 8, right? So we'll go very deep when we get to LCM. It means lowest common multiple, and HCF means highest common factor. So now we'll go deep when we get to that topic. So LCM 8 divided by this 2 times everything we have here. Minus 8 divided by this 1 times everything that we have here. 7e plus 4 equals 0. This multiply both sides with 0. Everything here is, we multiply both sides with 8. Everything multiplied by 8, 8 to cancel 8. Everything multiplied by 8, 0 times 8 will give you 0. Hence you have everything here. You have 2 into 5e minus 1 minus negatives into parentheses 7e plus 4. Right? Here we have 5 times 2 will give you 10. 10e minus 2 minus, remember you have an invisible 1 here. Use this sub-negative to distribute inside these parentheses. Am I correct? Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay. You have minus negative minus 7e minus 4. Hence, 10e minus 7e will give you 3e. Remember you still have our 0. Because it's an equation, not an expression. Minus minus 6 equals 0. Right? To eliminate this, you have to add 6 here and add 6 here. Hence you have 3e minus 6 plus 6 equals 0 plus 6. Minus 6 you cancel positive 6. Hence you have 3e equals 6. You divide both sides with the coefficient of e. Divide this side with 3, divide this side with 3. This will cancel this. And you have E equals 2. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Let's verify. Verify to know if this is. Substitute the value of E here. Will it give you this? Give you center, right? Okay, let's solve one more example before we go on the break. We have 2a minus 1 over 3 minus a plus 5 over 4 equals 1 over 2. LCM of this is, this times this, 12. 12 divided by 3 will give you 4. 4 times everything here. It means that 4 will be multiplying everything inside here. Subtract 12 divided by 4 will give you 3. 3 times everything here in the numerator. It was 1 over 2. Alright? Good. Now let's distribute and collect items in the numerator. This is looking like something that will be very long. So here we have 4 times 2a will give you 8a. 4 times minus 1 will give you minus 4. Minus 3a minus 15 all over 12 equals 1 over 2. You collect items in the numerator. When you collect items, what's our a? We have 8a minus 3a will give you 5a. Is that correct? Minus 4 minus 15 will give you minus 19. Is that correct? Over 12 equals 1 over 2. So at this point, we apply our normal basic principle of type what? Is it like type B of factoring subject? So from here, you multiply both sides to make this, you multiply both sides with 2 and also multiply both sides with 12. And here we have 2 into 5a minus 19 equals 12 times 1 give you 12. You now distribute, hence here we have 2 times 5 will give you 10. Return our a. 2 times 19 will give you 38, right? Equals 12. Good. If you follow to this point, thumbs up. You follow to this point. Good. So here we have 10a equals 12 plus 38. Here we have 10a equals 50. Right? 12 plus 38, 50. Hence, you have 10a is equals 50. You divide both sides with the coefficient of a. Divide this side by 10, divide this side by 10. 10 will cancel 10. 2 divided by 7, 0 will cancel 0. 5 divided by 1 will give you 5. A is equal to 1. Let's verify.
Should that be 5?
Yeah.
Right. So, good. Can we, before we continue, let's take 8 minutes break and come back by.
12:25.
Let's go back
12.
25. 25. Let's go back by 12:25.
It's hour 4. I'm very tired. And by that I mean I'm not tired at all. Everything's good. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. I'll be honest. I'm not. I haven't played much Pokemon. Most I've played is. What is it? Honestly, I can't remember between which of the two versions. But yeah, they are. And then one of the more recent ones, I genuinely cannot remember. The one before the most very most recent. Not that sounds right. I think it's I literally just binged it and then just kind of forgot about it. I tried convincing my kids to play it, and they dropped it halfway through. They dropped it though. Yeah, I played it. Oh, really? That's me. I love like talking to NPCs. Like that's my favorite thing. Just like dialogue. Yeah. Not anymore. I used to be so into like Apex. I was always so but I love playing. Yeah.
Why don't you play much more?
Busy. I went through down a bad moment where all I did was video games, and I kind of ignored reality. And I was kind of depressed. So kind of like just to get me back into it, I just tried to stop.
Yeah.
Now I have no hobbies, but I'm doing okay. So yeah, I just embarrassed because I'm like, it's so bad.
Both my hands and grab my but it's gonna happen.
So this is kind of buy.
Yeah, I think it's $10. I know. All I can think about it is because I have you just do surveys?
I would do the same.
What the hell did I do? Because like, the only thing you can really spin it on and gaps. I guess like the spider.
Well, actually,
Sometimes I'll get angry if I just go and then, yeah, if I die, then I'll just go again. Right after. Next thing I know, it's 3 hours gone. Yeah, I put away my Xbox and my PC, but here I am now on my phone.
Okay, welcome back. Welcome back. We are all moving, right? Yeah. I'm so happy that we are exploring the beauty of mathematics together. So let's continue. Okay. Let's continue. Okay, solve the equation. Solve these equations. We have here 3m over 5 minus m over 3 equals 8 over 5. 2. (4x minus 3 over 2) it was 9x minus 6 over 8. Three. 5 plus a over 4 it was 6. 4. X over 2 plus 3x over 4. It was 5. 5. 2 into bracket 8x plus 7 over 3. It was 5x. 6. 3x over 7 equals 2x over 3 minus 1 over 3. 7. 2d plus 7 over 6 minus d minus 5 over 3 equals 0. 8. 3 into bracket 2a plus 1 over 4 equals 5 into bracket a plus 5 over 6. 9. 4 into 2x minus 3 equals 8 into 2x plus 5. 10. 3 into 4x minus 5 equals 5 into 2x minus 2. Okay, we have 10 problems on the board. 10 wonderful problems. Right? Okay, let's take them. Let's deal with them one after the other. So from the first one, what do we do? We first of all find the LCM of the, let's first of all treat the left hand side of the equation. Let's find the LCM of 5 and 3. LCM of 5 and 3 will give you 15, right? 5 times 3 will give you 15. Hence you have LCM is 15. 15 divided by 5 will give you 3. 3 times 3m will give you 9m. Minus 15 divided by 3 will give you 5. 5 times m will give you 5m equals 8 over 5. So at this point, to apply our basic principle, multiply both sides with, to eliminate this 5, multiply both sides with 5. Also to eliminate this 50, multiply both sides with 15. If we do that, we have 5 into 9m minus 5m equals 8 times 15. Is that correct? What is 8 times 15? Please use your calculator and let me know. 9 times 5 will give you 45. Right? 5 times minus 20 minus 5m will give you minus 25m. 8 times 15 will give you what? 8 times 15? 120. 120. Okay. Wow, we can bring this together. Right? We have 70 here. Hence, you have 70m. 120.
Isn't that a positive minus the? Should it be 20m?
So we get what? 20, right? This is subtraction, not addition. Get 20. Thank you very much. Yes. And okay, so divide both sides with coefficient of m. This one with 20. 20 divided by 20. This divided by this. 12 divided by 2 will give you 6. Hence, m is equal to 6. So, 2. After solving 2, you guide me to solve 3 and 4. Is that okay? Good. For 2, we have 4x minus 3 over 2 equals 9x minus 6 over 8. You do the same thing to eliminate these 2. Multiply both sides with 2, multiply both sides with 8 also. Here we have 8 into 4x minus 3 equals 2 into 9x minus 6. Right? 8 times 4 will give you 32. 32x minus 8 times minus 3. 24, right? Equals 2 times 9x will give you 18x minus this will give you 12. To bring it here, you have 32x minus 18x equals 24 minus 12. 32 minus 18. 14, right? You have 14x equals 12. 24 minus 12 will give you 12. Divide both sides with coefficient of x. Divide this side with 14. 14. This is divided by this. You have 6 here. You have 7 here. Hence, x is equal to 6 over 7. We still have space here. Okay, let's utilize this space. For number 3, I said I'll solve number 3 then. Let me solve number 3 then you guide me to solve number 4 and 5. Right? So, number 3, you have 5 plus 9. You have to multiply both sides with 4. When you do that, you have 6 times 4 will give you 24. This is 8, please. Don't mind my handwriting. This is 8. This comes to this side, you have 8 equals 24 minus 5. Hence, A is equals 19. Is that correct? Is that correct? Nineteen plus 5 will give you 24. 24 divided by 4 will give you 6. That means 6 here, 6 here. That's correct. So, the next question, number 4. Let's utilize this space here. Number 4. We have x over 2 plus 3x over 4 equals 5. So what do I do next?
Multiply both sides by 4.
You want a common denominator?
Good. We want a common denominator before we do that. We want a common denominator, which is what? 4. Good. 4 divided by 2 will give you 2. 2 times x will give you 2x. 4 divided by 4 will give you 1. 1 times 3x will give you 3x equal 5. Good. Now do what Austin suggested. He said I will do what? You multiply both sides with 4. So at this point, multiply both sides with 4. If you multiply both here with 4, multiply here with 4. 4 will cancel 4, right? Hence you have 2x plus 3x equals 5 times 4 will give you 20. 20. Okay, so from this, we have a common stuff here. We have x here. It has the same variable, the same degree. It's a like them. So we have 5x equals 20. Divide both sides with coefficient of x. Hence, x is equals 4. Good. What about number 5? Into x, 8x plus 7 over 3 equals 5x.
Multiply both sides by 3 halves and then divide by 5x.
Multiply both sides with what?
3 halves.
3 halves. Good. Correct. This is amazing. 8x plus 7. Multiply this side with 3. 3 will cancel 3. Multiply this side with 3. You have 15x. What do we do next? Okay.
Distribute the 2.
We should do what? Distribute the 2. Correct. 2 multiplied with the first term, second term. You have 16x plus 14 equals 15x. Good. What next?
Group the x's together.
We do what?
Group the x's together to one side.
X together to one side. Do we all agree? Yeah. Hence, from here, move all the x's to one side. Hence, you have 16x minus 15x equals, we are moving 14, right? Minus 14. Hence, you have x equals minus 14. As simple as that. Number 6. For number 6. So, from this, let's first of all handle the right hand side of the equation, right? So for number 6, we have 3x over 7 equals 2x over 3 minus 1 over 3. So we want a common denominator. which is 3. Divided by this, you have 2x minus 1.